If you want to add fingerprint on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we need to open the settings. We're gonna scroll down in settings and we need to find security and privacy. After that you can go ahead and choose device unlock, and then once you have the screen lock password enabled in here, you can go to face and fingerprint unlock. Enter your password in order to continue. And then here we have the fingerprint options. Of course we want to select it. Tap on the setup button in the bottom right corner. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor. You want to touch and hold your finger with your finger on the sensor, just like that, and then you can lift your finger. Now over here we just have to keep doing this. So just touch with the finger and then lift. And keep doing that all the time. Touch and lift. Once you feel that little tiny vibration on your finger, you should be able to lift your finger, and you should be able to place it again. And try to place it every time from a different angle. So you may notice that every time I place my finger, it says that finger placement should vary slightly each time, so of course use that recommendation. It is of course necessary, so there we go. Now I'm trying just to touch it from all of these different angles, different sides as well. There we go. There is also this text that tells us that we can rotate our finger to record the edges. So of course keep that in mind. The more of your finger you will scan, the better it is going to work later on. Because of course you will use the fingerprint sensor every time from a different angle. So you want to make sure that every angle is scanned. And there we go. Once you add the fingerprint, you can of course add another one. You can also scan the same finger twice just to make sure that it is set up properly, although it is probably not really necessary to do so. We can tap on a done in the bottom right corner if you want to continue, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.